Exciting announcement. Blum new airdrop. Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Blum Airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you, a free giveaway. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. Now, let's jump into the video. Blum token price prediction after airdrop and listing. Launched in June 2024, Blum began as a Telegram-based game and quickly captured attention across the crypto space. What makes it stand out is its innovative hybrid exchange model that aims to bridge the gap between centralized finance, CeFi, and decentralized finance, DeFi, offering users a unique trading experience. Blum token price forecast. Thanks to its growing popularity and a rapidly expanding user base, price predictions for the Blum token are beginning to take shape. Early estimates suggest that the token could debut with a price ranging from $0.05 to $0.1667 following its airdrop and initial listing. Looking ahead, analysts project that the average price of Blum could rise to around $0.4026 by 2025, with a long-term target potentially reaching $1.05 by 2030, assuming steady development and user adoption continue. Want to know more about what's driving this momentum? Dive deeper into Blum's hybrid exchange model and growing ecosystem. Join Gate Post Creator Growth Incentive Program to unlock $2,000 rewards. To foster a more active creation environment, Gateio is launching the Gate Post Creator Growth Incentive Program. All creators are welcome to participate by posting crypto-related content and competing for creator rankings to unlock exclusive traffic support, exquisite Gateio merch, points, Furchers voucher, and more prizes worth up to $2,000. Event period, April 18, 2025, 4 o'clock, May 5, 2025, 1600 hours UTC. Join Gate Post Creator Growth Incentive Program to unlock $2,000 rewards. Do you sign up for the Gate Post Creator Growth Incentive Program? How to participate? During the event, sign up through the registration page, then go to Gate Post to post your content to successfully participate. Any crypto-related content is welcome. Feel free to post and join the fun. Event rewards. 1. Creator ranking rewards. Based on average engagement per post, total number of posts, active posting days, the rewards are as follows. Rank rewards engagement per post greater than or equal to total posts greater than or equal to days greater than or equal to top 1 to 3 T-set plus $30 futures voucher 10-15-10 top 4 to 10 Gate X Inter Milan Thermos plus Gate X Inter Milan cap plus $20 futures voucher 10-15-10 top 11 to 40 Gateio metal plus $10 futures voucher 3-10-7 new user top 10 $10 points 1-10-5-2. Traffic exposure rewards. Winners of the ranking rewards will also receive additional promotion to boost community visibility and influence. Rank exposure perks. Top 1 to 3 exclusive AMA on Gate Post Space plus Gate Post V5 badge plus top 3 poster plus 5 featured post exposure plus Gate Post ambassador role. Top 4 to 10 top 10 poster plus 5 featured post exposure plus Gate Post ambassador role. Top 11 to 43 featured post exposure plus Gate Post ambassador role. New user top 10 rising content star poster plus 3 featured post exposure plus Gate Post ambassador role. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the Blum airdrop in the comments below. See you in the next video.